Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by laying out a 10-inch pizza base on a clean board and gather toppings. Use a 10-inch pizza base or 25 cm base. Pat the base lightly to remove excess flour so it sits flat in the pan. Spread 100 g pizza sauce evenly, leaving a 3-5 cm rim to form the crust. Grate 150 g mozzarella and measure 2 tablespoons olive oil. Chop 1 small tomato, 50 g pepperoni, or 100 g vegetables, and pre-cook any raw meats for safe stovetop cooking. Use a heavy cast iron or non-stick skillet and heat it gently before placing the base. Heat a heavy skillet on medium-low for 2 minutes until warm. Brush 1 teaspoon olive oil on the pan or base to prevent sticking. Place the base into the dry skillet and cook until the underside is set and lightly golden. Cook the base 1 to 2 minutes per side, covered, on low heat. Add toppings only after the bottom is set to avoid sogginess, then immediately cover to trap heat. After you add 150 g cheese and toppings, cover the skillet with a tight lid to create an oven-like environment. Finish by melting for 2 to 3 minutes with a lid on low, checking to avoid burning. If cheese is not fully melted, add a splash of water outside the pizza, then recover for 30 seconds to steam. Brush crust with 1 tablespoon garlic butter and rest 2 minutes on a cooling rack. Slice into 8 slices and serve immediately with optional chili flakes and a drizzle of olive oil.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.